So you can control things with the remote here. I'm gonna show you something real quick. So when you come in at night, you don't have to turn on the bright lights. There's also a nice pulsating blue light at the bottom here for your foot. And the seat is warm to the touch, and it just feels nice and warm. The water in the bidet, when it comes out, it is warm. It's a nice warm temperature, and you can adjust the temperature on the remote. So you have water pressure, water temperature, air temperature, and the seat temperature. Night light on. So you can turn the night light on and off here. Nozzle clean, HC massage, nozzle position. So as you sit down, you can control some of these features as you're sitting here. So depending on how your bathroom's set up, you can have it mounted on the side of your cabinet. You can have it mounted on the wall here. Or you could just leave it sitting right here on the counter. All right guys, I put some saran wrap on here so we can see the function of the bidet. Let's see how it looks when it comes out. I'm gonna use the remote. We're gonna hit feminine wash. I gotta hold this sensor down here because this sensor, and I'm gonna remove this sticker. There's a sensor right here that detects weight. So I'm gonna hold this, and then I'm gonna hit the feminine wash button. And it's preparing to come out. There it is. And you can adjust the nozzle. Isn't that cool? Water pressure. You can adjust the water pressure. See, the water pressure is going down now. Or you can make it higher. You can also do the water temperature, which right now we have it on warm. So it has all these really cool features. And it stopped because there's a sensor here, there's a weight sensor here. So if you want to use the wash, you can use the remote, but you can also just tap this button right here. And then it'll go through the whole process. It'll wash, it'll dry, it'll do the whole process. Pretty cool.